In EV battery R&D, what troubles engineers most with environmental test chambers, limited temperature span, slow ramp rates, or unstable humidity control. A reliable chamber greatly boosts the credibility of reliability test reports. Conventional environmental chambers take over 30 minutes to ramp between -40°C and 85°C, with an overall temperature span below 100°C. This fails to replicate batteries' real performance under extreme working conditions, leaving potential hidden defects undiscovered before shipment. Today, we introduce our customized chamber for the new energy industry, SONACME Rapid Temperature Change Chamber. Temperature range -70°C to 150°C. Heating and cooling range rate 10°C per minute with non-linear profile, matching real-world operating conditions. Temperature uniformity ±1°C. Temperature fluctuation ±0.5°C. Temperature deviation ±2°C. Humidity range 10% and 98% relative humidity. Humidity control accuracy ±2.5% relative humidity. It completes reliability tests for batteries, modules, and components under temperature and humidity coupling in one single line. Internal volume 1,200 liters, equipped with a 30 kg low-capacity sample shift. Full battery packs and PV modules can be placed directly inside for testing. Dual compressor system with eco-friendly R404A and up to 3 refrigerants. Water-cooled constructions supports long duration, continuous, heavy-duty testing. Equipped with USB RS485 and antenna ports for one-click test data export, enabling seamless integration with LIMS platforms. For more information, follow SONACME.